way against that bump. Gonna go into a couple more lakes. I want you to get ahead of me. Okay. And right where this creek is gonna open up into that lake, I want you to make a few casts right where it opens up. I'm gonna start off with top water, and wake bait's a good choice too, early. Oh, dang it, boy. I was fixing to make my first cast. In the creek mouth. Good fish. You get him in the net? Huh? You got him in the net? Not yet, okay.
This rod a couple of weeks ago. I had to get another one.
Okay.
I'm trying to pull one into the boat.
Yeah.
Come here, big dog.
You get him. Try to get him in. Okay. All right.
Slot?
Yeah, I think he's slot. That's a good red. About the 4th or 5th cast on the wake bait.
It's a wake bait.
Was it the one I gave you, or
yeah?
Okay.
That's the only one I got.
Okay.
Treble hook stuck in my
I see it. I'll help you out, man.
Being a little finicky.
Okay, and then grab those.
That's pretty good, right? Think he's a keeper?
We'll have to measure him.
Yeah.
So you got your grips on it, huh?
I got my grips on it.
Okay, I couldn't tell if those are pliers or...
Yeah.
Here's your board in case yours is hard to reach.
It is, because all I have is...
Put it all the way against that bump.
22, 21.
21, okay.
Yep.
You have a stringer?
I do.
You need it? You need me to get it? Or help you get it or anything?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. Where is it, in the back?
Yeah, it's back here. Okay. Back here by my life jacket. Right next to my life jacket.
He hit it right by the freaking kayak, didn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is this it? Yeah.
I hadn't even used it before. Just pull it, or what the fuck? Like Tony wasn't too interested in coming with us.
Well, I think Tony hired me just to put him in an area, you know. I think he knows how to fish. I mean, I think he don't need a guide. Let me put it that way.
Yeah.
So he just needed someone to put him in a good area. I like taking both kinds of people out, man. People that want to learn a few things, and people that, and the people that already know they just don't fish that often over here. You know, so I can adapt to any kind of fisherman.
Well, I'm pretty green, man, to be honest with you.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. I was green to this stuff like 3 years ago. So you keep at it, man, and it's gonna come more natural. You'll you know, fishing out of the kayak and all these things that are getting in your way as part. Once you get used to it, you're gonna love it, man. So we'll go through the bottom.
You like go through his bottom lip?
Yeah, the
bottom skills.
Yeah, and then
I've seen it both ways.
And then through his top lip like that.
Oh.
That's gonna keep his mouth closed. And keep them alive a little longer when you're dragging them around. And so now you'll take one of these, you'll take this and go around maybe your handle, you know, on the right side.
Handle like here?
Yeah, on the right side though.
On the right side?
Yeah, it'll be out of your way because you got your paddle and your steering on this side. So go around that handle and then come back up and then put this through that stopper.
Alright.
and then just tie a knot in it, because you don't need that long. You'll get a fish hung up in it even easier the longer it is.
Yeah, I don't want him in my drive. Right.
Yeah.
My birthday, man.
Is your birthday?
Yep.
Man, you didn't tell me that. Well, happy birthday, dude.
Yeah.
Good catch, man.
Got a good one, yeah.
So we're gonna continue to work these shorelines.
Straight on.
Yeah, and so what you'll do is you'll make 7 or 8 casts. So your first cast will be pretty close to the mangroves, and your next one will be there,
Straight,
and then fan cast, and then after you do about 8 casts, move up, 50 feet or so, and repeat the process. We're covering shorelines and water, and then I'm gonna be on that shoreline, and you need anything, you just say, hey Justin,
all right,
and I'll, it's a small lake, so. So you were working the lure, right?
Well, did what you told me.
You got another one? Dang it, man. Freaking get him. I've only made one or 2 casts. Freaking missed it. I ain't gonna waste any more time with it. I don't have a wakebait leader, so I have one on this spoon. I'm gonna just try the spoon for a minute. Boy. He's freaking he's coming at me 100 miles an hour. Come on, dude. Shit. On the spoon. Nice fish. He's a little bit skinny, but he's slot. $22.
I told my wife, I said, if I don't catch some fish this time, I'm gonna take a break for a while.
Nah, you can't take a break, man. You gotta keep doing it. No matter what, man. That's what made me a better fisherman, and I still struggle sometimes. So
yeah. 6-hour drive.
I know it.
It's tough.
I know it, man. You do all that work and effort, and and to not do any good.
2 or 3 days is all you got, you know.
Yeah, I understand, man.
But,
that's why I moved here. I said, man, I'm gonna figure these freaking fish out. You know, I'm gonna get better some kind of way, and I just kept I got skunk after skunk after skunk. I said, so I'm gonna figure something out at some point.
Eventually.
You know. Kelly, you got just 2 on your stringer still?
Yeah.
You want this one too?
Sure.
Okay.
I wanted to hit this paddle tail.
Is that what you caught on that other one on a paddle tail? Okay. He was a little short or what?
Yeah.
Yeah. This one's 20 and a half.
Just there. Huh?
Yeah, he's good eating size.
It is good eating size. Let's do it. You ever do any wade fishing?
No, and I get asked that a lot. I don't see the need to hop out of a boat or a kayak. I don't know. I mean, I think they do it to be stealthy and whatnot, but I can be stealthy in the kayak. Yeah. I guess maybe if I had a boat. I mean, a lot of boat captains that I know, they fish out of the boat and they catch plenty of fish. So I think maybe some
it's
people.
Mostly for people that don't have a boat.
Well, a lot of people use a boat to get there, and then they wait, and then
out.
they wait fish, and I'm like, I don't know why you do that. Probably, maybe they like the experience of being down in the water. Maybe,
Could be.
you know.
Yeah, only time I ever caught any trout, we were wade fishing. Guy took us out. I said, jump out of the boat.
Yeah.
So, okay. I don't want to step on a stingray.
I know. That's what I always worried about too.
Alright. You want to keep going around over here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Is there an exit out there?
No. I sometimes drag across right here. And get in and fish the bay, you know, on the way back. But we'll probably stay. We might go back and hit that lake again.
Yeah.
Where we caught them, you know, rinse and repeat type deal.
Yeah.
The activity is stopped, man. But that doesn't mean we can't catch maybe some more. It just means it's more blind casting now, you know, like instead of casting to where you see all the bait flipping and moving and everything like earlier. Now we'll just have to, you know, continue to cover water and
It's just so much easier.
oh, there you go.
Did you come out here and catch my fish? I was fixing to move right there. He's a tough kid. Tough kitty cat. Trout?
Yeah, try to net him. That's a good trout. There you go. Oh, it got a oh, look at this right here. What is this? Big old freaking shark. Well, he ain't that big, but it's a shark. Yeah. Yeah. About a 4-foot shark. I hope he hits this lure. I hope so. I'll fight him. I don't care what it is. Damn. I thought it was a bull red for a minute. That's redfish. Nah, he just was busting some bait.